Hey, check it out, 2024 Blue Collar Tour. We're down here in Graceville, Florida. We're just fixing to roll out. I got to meet some of the people here. They're incredible, so I'm really looking forward to welding with the boys and girls here at Graceville. Let's get it going.
Well, my whole life, my dad, he's a forklift mechanic, you know, learning tools and understanding the appreciation of hard work and ethics of working. I mean, I tell students all the time, the world wouldn't turn around. Places would shut down if we didn't have somebody from every sector. It takes more than just someone going to college and being able to do a grade on a written test. I see students sometimes that feel low, maybe they didn't score real high on something. When they come into ag class, such as welding, and they get their hands in there and see how good they do, I try to encourage them and push them to say, hey, you can go make a career and do as well as someone with a college degree, even better. The drive and passion really makes them understand, then it really makes them know that there's something out there for them, and then what y'all do, like today, really makes the students know this is out there beyond my town, beyond what I see. It opened their mind. I could see it. They were excited and like, hey, this is a possibility that I could see myself going into.
I want to thank, from the whole team here at Western Welding Academy, these two teachers right here, Ms. Chestnut, Mr. Hudson, for allowing us to come into y'all's school today. We want to give a big shout out to your teachers, so you can put your hands together for me real quick for these guys. We got the pipe that we welded today. So we're going to give this to you, Mr. Hudson, as you are the welding teacher here. Put it on your desk wherever you want to show it off to the students. It's important, you guys, these teachers right here, they're the gateway to what you guys do in the future. You don't have to actually go to college if you don't want to. Not everyone's set up for that. There's other opportunities out there, and don't let anyone ever tell you you can't. Be an apprentice underneath somebody. Ask your teachers here what opportunities are out there. The trades are important. We're just one of the paths you can take. You could be a carpenter. There's plenty of houses out there that need to be built. Plumbers, they plumb the water into your house, the clean water, and they get the waste out of there. Without them, we might have a pretty messy place to live in. Electricians are important. Got the power to charge all your stuff to keep it all going. Very important people to do a very important job that you may not see because all that stuff is underneath the walls. Other people like welders out there. Welders are keeping the bridges together, the buildings together. They're putting all the big infrastructure in. They're out there and they're working a real hard day, making a real good wage. There's plenty of them out here. They're not hidden. They're there. Go ask them, seek guidance, find out what you can do out there to give back to your community and give back to your world, because when I'm old enough to retire, you guys are the ones that are going to fall behind. Build up that trade and fill that gap. Blue Collar Tour 2024!
Dude, Graceville, Florida, you guys flat through down. This place is incredible. Miss Chestnut, Mr. Hudson, you people are incredible. This was amazing. My boy Amplified Jason Brada showed up, gave me a new hat, pretty slick, so we're gonna roll this bandwagon up, and we are gonna head to Georgia.